Hello everyone. In this topic, we'll discuss about parameters. Parameter means user control, user input control, where user will input the values and will pass that values in our calculations in our Tableau workbook and Tableau report. So again, let me repeat this thing. Parameters in Tableau are user input controls. Any situation where you need a user input. For an example, let's say I want to show bottom 5 customers and I want to set that bottom 5 means where 5 is a value as dynamic. I want to give user a control where user will decide, well, he want to see bottom 5 or bottom 10 or bottom 15. Okay, so let's update one title first. Click drop down, edit, and the problem statement is using parameter show bottom and customers by sales. Okay, where n is number of customers and I want to set n as dynamic. That means user input. Now to create user input, what we do everyone? We create parameter. To create parameter, click this drop down and below calculated field we have option to create parameter. To create parameter, left click on this option. Program will open one dialog box. In this dialog box, enter your parameter name. My parameter name is number of customers. Then we decide what type of values user will enter. User will enter decimal values or integer or string, boolean, date and time. Obviously in our problem statement, as per our problem statement, user will enter integer values. Current value is 1. You can define the formatting also. All means user can enter any value, top 10, top 20, top 15, top 200, top 2000. List means you can define a list which will act as a drop down. Top, you can give an option in a list like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Range, you can define your minimum and maximum. For this example, let's start with all. That means user can enter any value. Okay, and current value is 1. Click OK. And here you can see we have a parameter number of customers. Let's click on this drop down and show this parameter control. On our right hand side, you can see number of customers as a parameter. Let's pass here 5. Now, as per our visual, we want to show customers. So first track our customer name in the rows area and then sales as values. The total number of customers in our report are 793 customers. We want to show bottom 5. 5 is our input of our parameter. So first I will drag my customer name inside filter and then use all customers. Click on top, in top by field. I want to show bottom, so select bottom here. Now here I will not pass a constant value which is 5. I will pass my parameter, and when I click on this you can see number of customers as a parameter here. Now left click on this. We have updated here number of customers, so my value is 5, so program will pass 5 value here. Basis of sum of sales, I want to show customers, so you can see here bottom 5 customers. If I change this 5 into 10, this will show bottom 10 customers, or let's say 3, bottom 3 customers. So this is how this model is now dynamic. So any situation where you need a user input and that input is not part of your field but you need a separate input, and later you can use that in your calculations also. In this example we have used this is one in our filter criteria. Okay, so this is about parameter. We'll discuss a lot about parameters in our upcoming videos also everyone. So this is about this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.